Hey guys, Rachel here, and I am going to show you a trail runner. It is a 2024 brand new. It's a coach, no bunks. I've always really liked the trail runner. I like their colors, especially when they do white wood. And this one, they do have the white wood, so I'm excited to show you. The model number. Is 27 RKS. So you've got that rear kitchen. Got a nice long slide. That long awning, and I love these doors. The glass, no, nobody can see in, but I love it. Nice big window. Alright, but let's take a look inside. So I love when I see recliners. So I love theater seating, don't get me wrong, but I like being able to move things around, and with recliners you can actually move them to wherever you would like. So entertainment's right there, you can move them right here in this area. You've got your couch over here, you've got storage underneath as well. A nice U-shaped dinette. And I love the U-shaped dinette because, one, it makes a much bigger bed. It can be a nice big couch, but then all my family can sit around this entire table, which is really nice. You've got a nice big fridge here, beautiful windows right there in the back, so when you're in the mountains, when you're on the beach, or wherever it is that you're taking that vacation, then you can do the dishes and look out the window, or you can cook and you can look out the window, so I love that. And then I don't know if you noticed all the storage up on top, and then you've got all the storage as well down here. So, and again, that white wood, I love the contrast. I love that look. I've always liked that. So, and at the kitchen as well, whenever I'm able to reach everything easy, right, like this, I love it. All right, so let's take a look down the hall. We've got our bathroom. So a very nice size, nice big shower. Plenty of space here. Plenty of space, to have a seat and do your thing. Nice big sink, or decent sized sink. And I love the color in here as well. Then you've got a door to your master as well off of the bathroom, so that's really nice. So, and then the other door over here. Nice big, usually they're really thin, short, but this one's nice and big. You can hang up your clothes. Some storage up there. You've got cubbies on each side, and you've got your side tables as well. Plenty of space to walk around. It's very nice, but I want to know what you guys think. Okay, so if you wanted more information, the price on this just dropped. It is fantastic. A great price, but if you want some more information, my information is in the description below. You can come see me at Funtown RV in Waco. Would love to help you guys out. But yeah, let me know what you think of this RV. And until next time.